How to fix iPhone vibration not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix your iPhone's vibration not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you can basically adjust your vibration settings. To do that, head over to your settings, go to sounds and haptics from here. Head over to sounds and haptics and after you're on your sounds and haptics, go to haptics. There you can see haptics for ringtones and alerts. You can simply tap on always play. After you've done that, you can also select your haptics tones and other stuff. So you can go to your ringtone and you can choose your haptic sound as well. So I'll just use the alert one. Just make sure that you do all this. So that's the first step. Now moving on, you can enable your vibration and accessibility and disable do not disturb mode. So go to your settings first again, go to accessibility, and after you here go to touch, and under touch you should find a vibration option. Simply toggle this button on, and finally you can just swipe down from the top right and turn off your do not disturb mode. Now doing all this, your iPhone's not vibrating should be fixed. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.